Have you ever wondered about the potential of ICP as a blockchain game changer? In this era of technological advancement, blockchain has emerged as a crucial tool altering sectors like finance, logistics, and healthcare. However, improvements are always possible, and that's where ICP, or Internet Computer Protocol, enters. It's not just another addition to the blockchain space, but a potential game changer. ICP holds the vision to revolutionize the entire industry. But what sets it apart? We'll delve into ICP's unique aspects, its workings, and its disruptive potential in detail today. We invite you to join this insightful journey into the core of ICP. Stay tuned as we dive deep into understanding ICP and its game-changing potential. To understand the potential of ICP, we first need to know what it is. ICP, or Internet Computer Protocol, is a project pioneered by the Decentralization Foundation. It's a revolutionary undertaking that strives to expand the capabilities of the Internet beyond its current confines. Currently, the Internet is largely a conduit for information and communication. ICP aims to change this, making the Internet not just a tool for connecting people, but also a platform for running back-end software of applications and websites. The Internet Computer Protocol seeks to transform the Internet into a global compute platform. The Decentralization Foundation, the organization behind ICP, is driven by a vision of a more democratic and efficient digital landscape. They believe that by extending the functionality of the Internet, the digital realm can be democratized, giving everyone equal access to resources to innovate and create. ICP is about breaking down empowering individuals and organizations. It's about taking the Internet, already a marvel of modern technology, and pushing it further, transforming it into a global compute platform. This is a massive undertaking, but if successful, it could mark a significant milestone in the evolution of the digital world. Now that we know what ICP is, let's delve into how it works. ICP is a complex system, but its workings can be understood with a basic overview. The Internet Computer Protocol, or ICP, extends the power of the public Internet to accommodate back-end software, thereby evolving it into a global computer. Key to ICP's success is chain key technology, which drives ICP's swift web speed and processes transactions in seconds. It bifurcates smart contract function execution into update and query calls. The former modifies the contract, while the latter retrieves data. The network nervous system, NNS, an integral part of the ICP ecosystem, is a self-governing mechanism within the ICP protocol. It controls network functions, like inducting new data centers or nodes, adjusting economics, and even updating the protocol. NNS operates as a decentralized autonomous organization, using ICP tokens to vote on proposals. ICP's scalability solution involves allowing each software canister, a smart contract variant, to run on its subnet, a network node group. This facilitates parallel transaction processing, enhancing scalability. The ICP protocol's resilience and security are ensured through advanced cryptography and a unique consensus protocol, alongside a worldwide data center network minimizing single-point failure reliance. ICP intends to revolutionize the blockchain industry with its high-speed, secure, and scalable decentralized computing platform. It aims to surpass traditional blockchain systems' limitations, fostering enhanced efficiency and democratization in our internet usage. With this understanding of how ICP operates, we can now explore its potential as a game-changer in the blockchain industry. ICP holds immense potential to revolutionize the blockchain industry. This isn't some lofty idea, folks. It's real. ICP, or Internet Computer Protocol, is designed to process transactions and smart contracts at web speed. This is a significant upgrade from current blockchain technologies, but it's not just about speed. ICP also serves web content directly on the Internet, making it a potential replacement for the traditional tech infrastructure. No more need for servers, databases, or firewalls. It's a turbo boost for the Internet. And what about scalability, a common hurdle for blockchain technologies? ICP is different. Thanks to its chain key technology, it has an unlimited ability to scale, aiding in the possible mass adoption of blockchain technologies. This is a feat yet to be achieved. But the most compelling aspect of ICP is its potential for true decentralization. It can lead us away from a world controlled by tech giants to a fairer digital landscape with dispersed power and control. ICP indeed has the potential to be a game changer in the blockchain industry. It's clear that ICP is not just another blockchain project. This forward-thinking platform is unique in its commitment to scalability, security, and governance. Positioned to disrupt the blockchain, ICP brings a fresh perspective on decentralized networks. This could ultimately shift our understanding of these networks. Truly, it's game changer. Enjoyed this content? Please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, keep exploring the world of blockchain.